Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will learn about the basic definition of a signal and how to represent a signal in mathematical form. So we start with, what is a signal? Signal is something that contains an information about the behavior or nature of some phenomena. If you are a driver driving car at the road and you see this traffic signal with green light, you don't have to stop the car. Or you see this signal, it conveys an information that you can take a U-turn from here. Both of these phenomena contain information which is interpreted by your brain. We can say all this a form of signal processing. So how to represent a signal mathematically? First of all, information in a signal is contained in a pattern of variations of some forms. How, we will see as we move ahead. Signals are represented mathematically as functions of one or more independent variables as shown below. In the first equation, the function has one independent variable x, and in the second equation, the function has two independent variables. The first signal is a sinusoidal signal which is plotted below. Don't worry about how is it plotted and what these curves illustrate. We will study in detail all of this as we move ahead in these video series lectures. This was all about the signal definition and its mathematical representation. In next videos, our main focus will be toward the visualization of a signal, extracting information from a signal, types of a signal, and signal analysis. See you in our next video.